Hello, and thank you for signing up for URComped. We are so honored to have you as a potential client. So it looks like if you're watching this video, you've probably signed up with your email address but have not created your profile. It takes about 2 seconds. I'm going to walk you through how to do it. You're looking at my screen right now. This is the home page. You are going to click, if you've already entered your email address, you'll click login. I'm going to go through join. If you click login, all you do is put in your email address here. If you forgot your password, that will walk you through the steps. I'm going to go to join. Okay. So join. First question on completing your profile is, where do you play? I'm going to say WinStar Casino. It's a casino in Oklahoma. Click on the casino when it pops up, and then whatever casino you play at, we will more than likely have the different card levels. So you just pick which card level you are. We ask, do you have a casino host at that casino, which is somebody that's assigned to you. If you have a casino host, you'll probably know. If not, it's basically a concierge. It will help with your reservations. But again, if you have a host, you probably know what it is. If not, don't even worry about it. I'm going to say that, yes, I do have a host there. I'm going to add one more casino. See, there's add another casino. I'm going to say at Caesar's Pal. So you could start typing in a name and it'll start populating automatically. Say Caesar's Palace. Say I'm a 7-star player. Yes, I have a host. Once you've entered your main casinos, you can click I am done. Next. Takes you to the next step. How do you play? We want you to pick your primary game. I know a lot of you will play tables and slots and maybe video poker. For this question, just pick your primary game. Say I'm a slot player. Now, what is your typical gaming budget on a weekend trip? So we want this, we're asking in the frame of mind of like you're taking a weekend trip to Las Vegas or some kind of destination. How much do you typically budget for gambling? Okay, so Thursday to Sunday, I'm going to say $5,000. Now you can pick cash, wire, or a credit line. Wire would also include like a cashier's check. So anything where besides cash, where you're establishing your bankroll up front, you could put that under wire. And then credit line is establishing a line of credit with the casino, something that you could pay back after the fact. I'm going to leave it as cash. Next. Okay, and this is the last step. Enter your name, Shacklett, email, choose your password. Again, if you're logging in with your email address, that will already be populated. You'll just create a password. Your birth date, phone number, I recommend putting in your phone number. That allows you to text with us, and you could text in pictures of your offers, because that's the next step in the verification process. Is once your profile is complete, all you have to do is send us pictures of currently valid casino offers. So if you enter your phone number, it allows you to text those in. Promo code, if you signed up via some kind of promotion, put that in. Most people don't worry about it. And then click join now, and you're done.